Starting with the name of Allah, the most kind and the most beneficent. Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Dunia Rang Rangili. Guys, today I wanna show you that how can you sell your artworks on OpenSea. You can see I have this my OpenSea account. If you don't have OpenSea, simply go into the Google and write here OpenSea. OpenSea sign up. Guys, from here you can create your account. If you don't have any account, you can sign up from here simply like you sign up for Facebook or Instagram or another accounts. Same like this, you have to enter your password, you have to enter your Gmail, and you will create your account very easily. You can see if I go into the profile, I have set up my profile entirely. You can see you have to place this profile image and your background cover, back cover, and you have to give your details, somehow details here. You can see I have minted some of my NFTs. They are unique. I have my NFTs here and I can sell them on OpenSea very easily. Today I will show you that. You can see if I go here and I click on create, how you can create an NFT. I'm just telling you this. If you go and create, see my MetaMask account is, my MetaMask wallet is attached with this. Click on got this, and you have to sign it first. I've clicked on sign it, and you can see from here you can upload your any of the image, either JPEG or GLB, GIF or any other. You can even set up your video too. You can see if I go here, you can see guys, I'm just going with this my print, my digital print, and I will name my NFT right here, either digital print or any other which I want. And here you can give your external link, whether this is of your website or whether your Instagram or Facebook. Here you can give the description that this painting is all about what, and here you don't need to change this properties, level, stats. And if your NFT is bigger than required image, you can click on this, and here you don't need to click. You can either click here on the supply. If you want to keep it as 5, 2, 3, it will increase the number of your coins in your wallets. I'm just clicking on one, and the blockchain I'm giving here, you can see blockchains I have here, this Ethereum, Optimism, Zora, Solana. But guys, I will go with Polygon because it does not charge the gas fee. And then I will simply click on create. You can see I had not added my name here. First I'm writing the name, digital fabric for example, I'm writing here. And here into description I'm writing any of the description. I made it on Photoshop, entirely different print, and you need to wear. Guys, you can add the description whatever you want, and you can create this from here. You can see they have written almost done, and after that they will check whether you are human or robot. So I'm clicking here on robot, and they will give you this verification. So I'm clicking on the traffic lights. Next, crosswalks. So it is verified. Guys, first of all, when I made the NFT on 19 September, at that time I was not very much aware about this, but now it is very easy to use. I just made it in the few words. You can see they are saying me please wait. Guys, you can copy your link from here and you can give it on different social media platforms. From here, yet it is not listed for the sale, just go here and click on list for sale, and you can type here your starting price. Guys, if you don't know what is Ethereum, you can write on Google and you can convert the Ethereum into, let me show you. If I go into the Google and I convert Ethereum to USD, you can see it is about 1650 US dollars. This is too much. If I convert 1650 USD to Pakistani rupees, you can see it is so much. 10,000 lakhs, about 47 lakhs. So one Ethereum is of 47 lakhs Pakistani rupees. I will go, guys, you can either type here the 1 Ethereum, 2 Ethereum, or which you want to give the price. So I will go with 1. You can either type here into 0.02, 0.01. I will show you how the other people types here. And the duration you can set here 1 hour, 6 hours, 7 days, and these are different, 3 months, 6 months. I'm setting here 6 months. You can see here OpenSea fee. Guys, whenever this painting is sold, whenever this painting is sold, the OpenSea will automatically deduct this amount, 2.5% from your wallet. And here you will click on complete listing. They are saying me to go to your wallet, and simply I have to sign here my request. I'm clicking on sign. You can see I have this right here. You can copy this link and you can place it on social media platforms, whether Facebook or Instagram, TikTok, or some other YouTube etc. If I click on view listing, you can see how will this look. See, here you have your current price, here you have your name, it is written owned by you, and here is your description, and here are my other NFTs. Guys, you can see if I click here on this ship, you can see it will switch to my home page. Let me show you some other artworks. You can see this artwork is for 10 Ethereum. This is for 18 Ethereum. It is yet very simple. You can make it easily on the Photoshop. It is for 23 Ethereum. Very simple block. 63 Ethereum. It costs too much. 369 Ethereum. 29 Ethereum. 33 Ethereum. If I go into here art, you can see, guys, different artworks, and these are of different Ethereums. See, this is some abstract type. It is of 3 Ethereum and 2 Ethereum. So guys, this is all for today. Hope you had liked today's video. If you like, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I hope you had learned about OpenSea, how to create NFT and how to mint that. This is artist Rabia signing off. We'll come back with another video. Okay, bye bye. Allah Hafiz.